So welcome back. We're doing the white palm, and this will be the third layer. And in my colors today, I'm going to mix it up a little bit more than just the first two layers, which was cerulean and the French ochre, which is similar to raw sienna. But so far, all of my paints have been transparent. I think that's very important. I have already wet the paper. If I need to do more, I'll do it with the spray. So let's get started. I am going to use some Quin Gold. It always has a nice glow to it. And I'm going to throw some cobalt blue. Move it around. Doesn't move quite as much. You'll see there is a lot of masking that's happening. Sometimes you just have to help it. And because I have it here, I'll always splatter a little bit around. Just kind of make a triangle of colors. I'm going to make it go a little faster just so the video is not so long. And I do have some burnt sienna. I'm going to start throwing some other tones in there, knowing the seed pieces will be in the browns. But it also just kind of tones down that bright green. I am going to use phyllo, and phyllo does not have any granulation, which will be some nice little kind of darker tone over here. But it is a staining color, so use it kind of in small amounts. Kind of working my way around the painting, just to give myself, if it starts to dry over here, I'll just spritz it. Some of this French ochre by Daniel Smith. It's one of the few ochres that I find that is not staining, and I just really appreciate that. So let's just put a little phyllo. I'm using a red shade. Throw some more of that burnt sienna. And I head over there. And just to help move it again around some of these areas where all this masking is. Starting to come to life with some beautiful color tones. That was a little Quin Gold. Since I have it over here, I like to have it in my paintings, at least do triangles of colors. And at any time you don't like a color that you have added on your page, you can wet it some extra and spritz it right off. I want to thank my husband for doing the filming. Again, just trying to get this on here somewhat quickly. And I think I'll throw some more of that burnt sienna. Around. I see the paint is not moving there, so let's give it a little help. I've moved this a few times, so I'm a little upside down from your piece there. To really just kind of bring some more to life, I have a brown matter, which will give a little bit of a glow to some of these areas. You'll notice I wipe the sides of the board, and that's so that I don't get it to run underneath the paper. And I see I just need a little more paint in this section. And so if you want a dark color, just throw some phthalo there. And I'm pretty happy with that. So we'll let that set up for the next layer.